I didn't think we'd be camping in the snow again, but here we are. Looks like Old Man Winter's not going out without a fight. You want to go camping? Hey, come here. Good boy. All winter, it really seemed like spring. And now that it's officially spring, winter's fighting back. Go figure. I don't even have my snow brush anymore. I guess that's what you get for putting winter stuff away too early. So today we have what's called, someone's mad. We have what's called snow squall warnings, which means at times the snow is gonna be very, very heavy, but then it can stop like that, kind of like we have now. And the sun actually came out, which is really nice. Keep in mind that a man's just as good. There's the snow. It's getting heavy again. It's starting to get a little bit sketchy out here. It's almost a whiteout. You free. Oh. You got your stick? Look at this guy. What you got, bud? Hey, Chester, what you got? Tell you what, I definitely wasn't expecting that much snow during that drive. If I knew it was even gonna be half that bad, I probably would have just stayed home. But luckily we made it in one piece. We got our gear in the back here. We're gonna load up our sled and hike on out to our spot. Let's go, come on. Getting firewood ready. First things first, we gotta get our tent set up and do our best to keep all of our gear dry. Hi. Look at this. Looks like somebody's been busy bringing his stash inside. Little rascal. So last time I used this tent, we didn't have our floor yet. It was still in order. So I was hoping we'd have an opportunity to use this tent one more time and Chester and test out the floor. So it's a perfect chance. Oh, it even has the fire mat built right in. That is sweet. Good boy. Sit, sit, sit. So today is Wednesday, March 20th. Today was actually Chester's original scheduled operation date for his CCL, but that got moved to April 1st, so you probably won't be seeing much of Chester in April, unfortunately. But the good news is, with the proper rehab, rest, and all that good stuff, he should be back to 100% by middle of summer, which is great news. Not so great news, tonight's supposed to get down to minus 21 Celsius. Next on our to-do list is get a ton of firewood. Something's coming out. Oh, every time I look in the sun or something bright, it just makes me sneeze 9 times out of 10. Fucking they're pretty good, buddy. Okay. We gotta reevaluate a few things. That hill is slippery. Good to know. No. It's actually worked out perfect. So the very top of the tree is just hanging on by a thread, but the tree is still kind of horizontal. So we're gonna take the chainsaw and limb it, take all the limbs off, and then we'll pull the rest of the trunk off. Beautiful. Nice. Chester, that was the firewood, buddy. What are you doing? Come on, Chester. Good boy. Stay on the blanket. Good boy. This weather keeps getting crazier and crazier. And just like that, it's snowing sideways again. It's just about that time that we're starting to think about dinner. And tonight we are on a mission to make the greasiest possible grilled cheese sandwich. But before that, we gotta get this good boy fed. I'm sure he wants his dinner. Go. All right, this is taking too long. Cook right on the flame. Should speed things up a little bit. There's no way we need that much ham. crisp up some ham. Basically just making more bacon. All right, the main event. Get some tomato for health reasons. Some bacon for health reasons, of course. Oh yeah. Not proud of that flip, but it could have been worse, that's for sure. Some goat cheese as well. We're gonna sprinkle that on. Oh, that's beautiful. Here you have it, the heart attack. That's actually so good. Is it my favorite grilled cheese I've ever made? No, but it's up there. It's definitely up there. 8 out of 10. 8.5 out of 10. The plan was to eat 2 of those, but I think if I eat even another half of those, the heart attack joke becomes a reality. We'll call it at 1. Oh, ice isn't that thick, that's for sure. It just skimmed over. So maybe like half an inch. Could actually get a nice sunset tonight. We'll see. Scratch that, no nice sunset. We got another snow squall in our hand. Well, I guess dealing with the fire overnight is going to be a bit of a challenge, as I'm going to have to climb over this big fella over here, but this might be his last camp for a little while, so I'll let him choose where he wants to sleep. All right, well, it's warm in here. I think we're both cozy, and we're going to call it for the night. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Pretty chilly out this morning, just as forecasted. We are currently sitting at a beautiful -11 Celsius outside and a balmy 0 degrees inside the tent. We did just get some more wood on the fire, so hopefully within the next couple of minutes that 0 will, will increase by a little bit. You want your breakfast? Oh no. Disaster. Good coffee. Speaking of coffee, we do have an account on Buy Me a Coffee, which is kind of like, I guess, like a Patreon. I wanted to give a huge thank you to East Coast Pals. They gave a very generous donation to help with the cost of Chester's operation and recovery. I mentioned before that we do have pet insurance, so the majority of the costs, I'm hoping, will be covered by insurance, but we won't know until after. And if anyone else is looking to make donations or support the channel, that's the best way to do it. There's a link to that in the description below. Any donations are very, very appreciated. Want to go for a walk? Or do you want to just stay in here cozy? 1 second. Go. You look closely, looks like the ice might have froze even more last night. Let's go check it out. That's from just last night. Wow. Looks like inch and a half of ice. Okay. Go. I'm hopeful that you guys will see this big fella one more time before he goes in for his operation, but it definitely won't look like this. This is probably going to be our last snow camp till next winter. Thank you guys all so much for watching this one. I truly appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.